wow, this one is exploding, it's trending, it's on fire, all of those things. And I wanted to get this video out to you because this is meant to be the easiest way to make a website. It's called Typedream, and if you dream about making a website without any knowledge, then this is for you. It really is hot off the press, and everybody is talking about it. Just before I jump in, the magic link might not be there yet because I've not got one. But as soon as there is a magic link, phils.deals, where you can get this for a great price, click on the magic link and subscribe to my channel. Hope you enjoy my reviews of software. Let's have a look at Typedream. And here's the screen you get to when you first go to Typedream. I've set it up, I've put my name in, but that's about it. And now you've got to decide what you're going to have. So is your website software? Is it a portfolio? Is it a shop? Is it CMS? That's where you put code in, isn't it? Or is it a Web3 website? Well, we're going to do SAS because that's what I kind of do. I might be doing this, and I'm going to pick that template. I like it, or do I like that? So, oops, do I want light or do I want bright? Do I want light, bright? I'd like both really, but let's go for nice and bright and breezy. And I'm going to add my pages. It's building my site. So I want a product guide. Let's have a look. Yeah, I want a bit of that. I want my documentation, keep it legal. Me about us, my pricing. Have I got a plan? No, I've not got a plan, have I? No, not a wait list. What's a change log? I should know that, shouldn't I? We'll have one of them anyway. Exclusive startup benefits. Build my site. This is my website. Is it ready now? Powering. So there's my home page. If I wanted to add a new page, how would I do it? All right, so it's just easy to click, change the text, make the website look like how you want it to look. So everything here is easy to just click on, delete or press space. Can you see that and change? And it has kind of created my site. And then if I wanted to add a new page, right, let's just try it. Add a new page. Start typing. This is quite good. Brand new software. And press enter. Does it just do it, or do you have to do something? I'm being really lazy now. I'm just hoping it's gonna publish. Right. Oh, my site is now live. Wow. So that was easy, wasn't it? That was quick. And that has just created my software site. Not so much like what I want to do with software, because what I want to do with software is probably, and I should have probably inputted shop when I first developed it. But you can see that, and I've not changed any of the fonts or anything, but it has created me a site on what I wanted to put in. And it looks quite good. Yeah, and it can show me, there you go. Oh, I like this. It can show me how that site will look on the mobile, on the tablet, and on the desktop. It actually reminds me, funnily enough, of this software that I used to use for making websites, and unfortunately it went bust, and the problem with it was it was called Moonfruit. Does anyone remember Moonfruit? And the problem was it was all built on Flash, and then they got rid of Flash, and then it was never the same again. So, I'm Phil. I'm stressed. I just want to show you now how easy it is to change and then have a look. So, I'm stressed. Save. How do I save it? Publish. Home only. Preview. Oh, has it not changed it? Is it changing it now? Should say I'm Phil. I'm stressed. There you go. Right. Listen. The reason this review is short is that I just spotted that Typedream is trending, it's massive. Everybody wants to get a hold of it. At the moment, I haven't got my magic link, and obviously on my magic links, I'll let you, why do I get a small percentage, So do click on the links. It helps me support the channel and support, my work. It gives me a little drink when you buy stuff. But there isn't one of those yet. Anyway, but I just thought I would show you that because it's trending. But do check back and click on the link, because as soon as I find a deal worth having, even if it's not a magic link where I get a little bit of a drink, how honest am I? That's why you need to subscribe to my channel. How honest am I? I've actually got a question for you. We'll jump out while I ask it, and I'll give you my final thoughts on Typedream. Here we go. If you know that someone like me who spends the time making these videos makes a little drink, small percentage for making the video, would that bother you at all? Do comment below. I'm really interested. I hope you think that's fair enough, because guess what? The whole world is basically a place where everyone gets a drink. So if you buy your car insurance, if you buy anything these days, every single person up the chain gets a little percentage, yeah? But I sometimes think that people go out of their way to stop these guys like me who try and make a little bit of money promoting software, you know, getting that little drink. Does it bother you? Just tell me in the comments. I'd really like to know. And also tell me in the comments what you think of Typedream. Right, we're going to get that straight up there now. Hopefully you like it. Do comment below. Tell me what you think of it. Have a try for yourself on the free version. And if you're going to subscribe, hang fire till you'll see my magic link. Phils.deals. The website coming soon. It's in the description. I will see you soon.